Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef for Panasonic, and I want to show you a super simple, super tasty dish produced from the Panasonic high-speed oven. The dish that we're going to be cooking today is a mac and cheese with pancetta lardons, panko breadcrumbs, and grated mozzarella. First, we take our cooked macaroni. Into this mix, we add our cooked pancetta lardons. We then bind this with some cheese sauce, followed by our mozzarella grated cheese, and then some breadcrumbs just to mix through. We're then going to build this into our earthenware dish, top with extra panko breadcrumbs and extra grated mozzarella cheese, just to give it a real indulgence. We're going to utilise a multiple stage cook. The first stage is going to be for 1.5 minutes, with the microwave on P8 and the grill on 70%. The second stage is going to be for 40 seconds. The grill we're going to put on at 100% on high, and the microwave setting is going to be on P4. As the product comes out, you can see that there's a beautiful caramelisation and colouring on top, and those panko breadcrumbs are really going to add texture to our dish. And thanks to the Panasonic high-speed oven having both the grill and that inverter technology working for me, I've avoided having to place the macaroni and cheese inside a traditional convection oven, or having to place the whole dish underneath a salamander to generate that colour and browning on top.